Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have with me a special guest. You know her from our previous collaborations. Here is my sister.
Hello.
So how are you today?
I'm great, I think.
So why are you here?
I am here to roast your makeup.
No, in my house.
Okay.
What are you doing in my
I didn't want to pay for a hotel, so here we are.
This is the only brush she came with.
Yeah, I don't need any more.
So what are we doing today, Yona?
Today we're going through your makeup and throwing everything out.
Are you going to be harsh?
I'm going to be honest.
Are you going to be a strict judge?
Yes, I am.
I expect that.
Good.
She's always very judgy in everything, not only in my makeup.
Okay.
So I think this is going to be a very bad idea.
I expect you to cry at the end.
Yeah, I am prepared. I have booked a therapist appointment tomorrow. I'm ready. Okay, but are you going to say any good things though?
Yeah.
Or only bad things?
I'm gonna be honest.
Okay, let's do it. I think we're gonna start from the makeup that I have here, which is my everyday stuff, and then we're gonna move on to my Alex drawer that I have the rest of my makeup. And are you ready?
Absolutely.
Okay, put your judge hat on. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so here are we on my desk drawer. So
Let's start. Let's start with this here. Do I have to say the names?
No, you don't have to.
This looks like a chocolate box. If I had this, that would be the only thing I would have, because you have literally everything, all the colors.
Okay.
And this looks nice.
Okay.
I like it. It's white and basic and.
So would you buy that?
If I would buy that, I'm not sure. I don't think I would need all of those.
Okay.
So probably not, even though I have not tried it. And then you have what looks like a pack of cigarettes. It has a mirror, so probably I would buy this one.
Do you like the colors?
I like the colors, yeah.
Do you like how big they are? Because you can use them all over
This
your
is
face.
a lifetime supply for me.
You can use it as a highlighter, bronzer, blush and stuff.
This is what I can steal from you this time?
No. Okay. Depending on how judgy you're going to be.
Okay, I rate this. How are we gonna rate those? From 1 to 10?
I don't know, you can do
Okay,
whatever
I
you
can
want.
rate
You're
this
free.
9 out of 10. And then you have, I like the name, Latte. This looks like when you just got rich and you want to look rich, but you were actually...
Smell it.
Have a bad taste. Smells fake. 2 out of 10.
2 out of 10.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is the latte, the number 1. The other one was the number 2.
Which one do you prefer?
I like this a little bit better. That's a 5 out of 10.
Okay.
Then we have all the perfumes.
Not in today's episode. Move on.
Okay, what should I start with the lipstick box?
Be careful.
So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 20 lipsticks. 20 lipsticks. Do I have to open all?
No.
I have 2 lipsticks. 1 red and 1 nude. And I look fine, I think. More palettes for a party.
It's a nice palette.
Yeah, this one is nice. And then we have the golden 20s, because it is the 20s. Although it's not golden. Pretty boring. I don't like the red case, looks cheap. Like something I would have in
not
my,
cheap.
in my...
In your what?
when I was little.
Okay.
Good sport. Fun, but too colorful.
For you.
But this is
What?
matches your personality. Reckless, rooty, high hopes, trophies.
You're
wild out.
Judging my makeup,
Sister,
not me.
your sister.
Yeah. I guess that was made for me, huh?
Yeah, the zodiac. This looks nice. Not so excited about the colors, so not really my thing. Cute AF. Sounds promising. It was actually cute AF. I like this one. You're cute as beauty in the one that's
Huda.
Huda. I don't even know the names.
This is the first palette.
This is the start
First.
of your addiction.
Yes.
This is the beer to your alcoholism.
True.
So you have too many palettes. And
Just wait to see
you have the pencils, way too many.
lip pencils.
But obviously not enough.
Those are eye pencils and those were lip pencils.
Okay. And then
That's my everyday makeup bag.
that is her everyday makeup bag. Huge
So that-
pillow, something square,
It's a powder.
some, yeah,
Lash curler.
I don't know what this is.
Mascara. What do you think about my everyday bag?
I don't know what most of those things are, but it obviously works, so
Yeah.
why not? And then my favorite part.
Okay, I don't use all of
All
them
the
every day.
brushes, and this is pretty heavy.
It's nice though. I don't use all of them every day though.
I don't think I have enough days to use all of them.
But I
One
use
each
them if
day.
I do like creative stuff where I need different colors, different brushes for different colors.
Okay. So you can't wash your brushes and use them again.
Not in the middle of the look.
How much money have you spent on those brushes?
Don't ask that, please. Move on.
Too many brushes, too little time.
Yeah, but too many for you or for me?
Too many for anybody. Why would one human being need all
I
those
told
brushes?
you why I need them. I do stuff with them.
Okay. I could probably use this, one of these, and one little one. That's what I would need.
Yeah.
Also, lifetime supply.
That's why you lost all the brushes that I gave you?
Didn't lose them. I donated them. Then you have something that looks like
These are my tube products.
I gave you this one.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Okay, well this looks normal, you know. And then we are not done with the palettes.
Oh, just wait.
How can we not be done with them? Where are your foundations?
It's not here. I have more stuff here. This is like more everyday stuff that I use from day to day.
This is the everyday stuff. And what is the other stuff?
You want to move there? I have some more stuff there.
Oh, yeah. More palettes. All your palettes look like you haven't used them.
I have.
Probably because
A
you
little
use
bit.
one each day and then you still have
Yes,
more time to use
exactly.
all of them. So you're gonna have these for years
Yes.
until they go bad. Until they poison you from the outside. Too shiny.
Too judgy.
They are very cute.
Cute in the inside or on the outside?
Outside. Very unnecessary. And then we have the Infinity D palette.
That's nice.
Yeah, it's kind of nice. And then where's the plate of eggs that you had once?
I keep them here after I wash them. These are my sponges. I only use them once. That's why I have so many. So that I have time to wash them. And I don't need to wash them every time I do my makeup.
Yeah, because you're so busy doing makeup the other time.
Yeah.
And then we have something here for Picasso.
Nail stuff, don't touch them.
What is this?
How stuff done? Okay, we'll move on. Let's move on to there.
There is more.
What did you think of this so far?
All this stresses me.
Why?
It looks nice, but it's too many stuff. Like, way too much.
Why does it stress you?
Because I don't like looking at so many stuff.
You're
I am a
minimalistic?
minimalist. And I look like I'm in the store right now.
Okay, let's go. Okay, so this is my Alex drawer. It's where I put basically the rest of my makeup that I don't use every day. So
Oh, so here is the notary.
Yeah.
Should I start from the bottom or the top?
I even put the air diffuser for you.
Yes, thank you very much.
Start from the top. So?
There is lipsticks.
Mm-hmm.
Way too many. Most of them look very cheap.
What?
I know they aren't.
Did you just use it?
No.
Do you like any of them?
Yeah, those look nice. So I don't really know what to say about this except that you have an addiction. Moving on. Are you serious?
What do you think about that?
I think why? Why do you have this? Is this a flask?
And what? That's a bronzer. It's bougie.
It's very bougie. Why do you have so many palettes?
I like collecting them, I told you.
I think I've seen enough palettes for all year. Too much glittery stuff. It's really nice that you have actually used some of this stuff.
Of course I
But
have.
most of them look like they're getting old. What is this
It's
exactly?
a liquid blush.
And the next thing right next to it
There are blushes, bronzers, highlighters.
is NARS, short for narcissist. Because you are one.
Me? You
Yes.
think that? Why?
I'm really getting tired.
This one is a little creepy.
How many lashes do you need, man?
They're different styles.
Do you work in a club or something?
You're not a performer.
Wow. Are those all mascaras?
No. Where do you even wear this one? It's for creative stuff.
What are you gonna create? An egg commercial?
Huh? You don't understand art.
Interstellar. So you're gonna be in the next Star Wars movies.
Yeah.
Cool. So these are for your
These are mostly creative
looks.
stuff, yeah.
Till the end. Eye primer. When is this end gonna be? Because I don't see you stopping with all of this.
Never.
And those are your facial toners? Or
They're not toners, setting sprays.
setting spray? 9, 10, 12, 20 toners, setting sprays.
They're all different.
No, they're not.
Yes, they are. I also like to try different ones to see which one are good or not.
Is this full of glitter?
No,
What?
just the bottle.
What are those two?
Foundations.
Look like weapons.
Those are foundations. They're very good actually.
Okay, I might have one of those. Why do you have this yellow foundation?
Because it's a mixer to make it the foundations more yellow. Because most of them are not yellow enough for me.
Don't you have the yellow mascara that can help you with that? Number 7. Where's the other numbers? Okay. Are those shiny? Shimmery?
Yeah, those are for the body.
Okay, I'm not even gonna try them on.
Don't go there. Don't go there.
There's a store where I buy those nail polish bottles, organic ones. And the whole store doesn't have as many as you do.
I also like to collect them.
You consider selling any of those?
Sometimes. Okay, so what do you think?
I think you have way too many things.
Yeah, but for what I do.
What do you do? You collect?
For Instagram and
Too much.
YouTube.
Well, yeah, it's cool. I think you could have done it with half of the
Half?
things you have. Yeah.
What would you remove or give away or whatever?
Everything.
No, but for me, not for a normal person that does only everyday makeup.
Okay. I don't think you need all of the palettes. You need like half of the palettes. And you
Yeah.
could just have every color in there already, because most of them are giant.
Okay, I do agree on that.
Yeah, and I don't think you need all those lipstick.
Okay.
You don't need all the pencils, eye pencils, brow pencils. You just need 2 pencils, max.
They have crayons. They're different
Crayons.
colors. Some of them are matte, some of them are shiny.
You only need 1 mascara.
Okay. I actually only have one mascara black.
No, you don't.
One black.
That's the one you remember.
Waterproof. So I don't have that many
That's 3
mascaras
already.
because they go bad fast, so I don't have that many.
You definitely don't need so many nail polishes.
They're all different, literally.
Yes, but
And I also like to change my color like every other day or something.
not good
So-
for your health.
They're actually 7 free, like harsh chemical free. Are yours?
Yes, mine are organic.
Okay, but do you like that you benefit from this?
Well, yeah.
That's
Who
what I
wouldn't?
thought. That's what I thought.
Well, of course.
Okay.
I need to help you get rid
Okay.
of them.
But like, what would you take from my collection right now for yourself?
I'd probably, if I was gonna steal something from you, a mascara, because I forgot mine at home. A face spray water fresh
Only
thing.
one?
Only one.
Which one?
The shimmering one.
The Anastasia one?
No, not that one. Too little. I would steal this one with aloe and this one. Just
This is a body
yeah.
bronzer.
Yeah, I would
glittery,
take a
shimmery
bronzer.
thing.
Yes.
You'd sell it.
Mm.
You'd wear it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Why not? I'd probably take a foundation, the expensive Fendi ones.
Would you take any color
I would take
eyeliner or
all of
anything?
them if I was creating looks and doing stuff like you are. Would be fun.
What about comparison?
No. I might steal one bronzer from you.
I gave you one already.
I want another one.
Okay, what else?
I think I'm done. I still have the stuff that you gave me last time.
Yeah, I know.
And
What
the time
about
before.
palettes?
And the time
What
before.
about
I don't need any palettes.
Nothing?
I don't really use any palettes.
So overall, how much would you rate my makeup collection?
The highest being the worst.
No, from 0 to 10.
Your collection or your addiction? Because your addiction is a 12.
My collection.
Your collection is, I don't know what it's supposed to be like.
Like, unnecessary.
10.
Really?
Yeah.
At the 10? At the
Mm.
maximum that you can give?
Only because it's the maximum.
Okay, if you were to get rid of it, how much of it would you get rid?
Only 2 of them.
What do you mean only 2 of them?
2 of the shelves.
Shelves or drawers?
Both of them. This one and the whole shelf there.
Okay, so the whole thing there.
The
you
whole
get
thing
rid of
there.
it.
Yeah. You could only keep one bag, little bag, just like I have.
Thank God you're not in charge of my collection.
Yeah, thank God, because everything would go missing every day. Next time maybe you can rate my collection
that
of
would
5
be
things.
2-minute video. Alright then, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for coming.
Of course.
And you probably end up taking some of this stuff with you.
Maybe I will. And use it while talking shit about you.
Exactly. Anyways, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope that this was funny.
It wasn't. It was real.
Okay, I actually expected for you to be more judging.
Yeah, I was a little bit... we weren't...
Out of shape.
No, we've been relaxing.
Your
all these
everyday
days.
judges,
Yeah.
Mhm.
Maybe after work one day we'll do a video.
Yeah, then I did find you in a good day then. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you again in the next one. Bye! Can you do the intro?
I'm not a YouTuber, but this is... Oh, this sucks.
Betokintossa. Ma kan iho. Mie foran kan iho. Tässä on jokso. Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Come on, can you do the intro?
Hello guys!
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel.
And goodbye!
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I cannot do
Next!
this. I can't do this, I quit.
That was it for today.
Today I have my sister.
Hello! The fellow!